Me debe dinero, ¿sabes? He owes me money, man, y me doit de l'argent. Si lo ves, que me llame. Tell him to give me a call. Dis-lui qu'il m'appelle. Mientras, I will sing a song for you. Os cantaré una canción.
Tell me how to live my life. Who are you to tell me if it's black or white? My head helmet's out of understand. Innocence the difference between a boy and a man. My daddy lit the lights, just the price that he paid. Sacrificing life, just slave it away. One thing I hang on to that gets me through the day. I'm able to do it, I don't want to. I'm gonna live my life, shining like a diamond, rolling with the dice, standing on the ledge, show me how to fly. The world gets in my face. I say, have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Ok. ¿Queréis otra canción? You want another song? ¿Encore un thème? Pues va a ser que no. No. El show ha terminado, chicos. Venga, iros y pasarlo bien en el parque. The show is over, boys. Have a good time in the park. C'est fini. Je reviens un peu plus tard. I'll be back, boys. Hasta luego, Lucas. Hasta luego, Portaventurero. Y no olvides, don't forget. Ta ta da da da.